Hi everybody, I'm at Godrej Ananda. Just thought of giving an update on the phase 3. So they have revised the prices. Revised the prices means increased the prices for the EOIs for phase 3. So anybody interested to visit the property before the further increase on the inventories which are available. So however, it is not open for sale yet. Yes, now since they are getting good response from buyers on expression of interest, so that's why they had to increase the prices based on the demand. If you have not visited yet, if you're still waiting for the launch, there are high possibilities, almost 200 chances are there where you might lose the pre-launch price first, and unit to aise jayega to you might lose the unit for sure. Pricing will come only after once if you select the unit. If you have not visited, do visit the property this weekend. I will just fill the booking EOE form, not the booking, I'm sorry, EOE form, show your interest to the project. So this is a part of 3,000 acres. People who are not aware, this comes inside KIADB residential zone, 20 acre of project. They have different phases. Phase 1, phase 2 sold out, 1 and 2 completely sold with G plus 28 floor apartment, and the phase 3 will be somewhere 22nd floor, 22 floors. There will be 2 BHK Jodi Apartment, 3 BHK normal, like 3 BHK 1588 square feet with 2 balcony, and then they also have 3 BHK Jodi unit. 3 BHK prices are decent. If you are interested in 3 BHK, callers starts from 99.99 lakh onwards, almost close to 1 CR. It can go up to 1.1 CR, close to 1.1 CR. Don't miss it, excluding other charges, everybody. So this is the last chance to get a best pricing in KIADB with this range. There are high possibilities when next coming 6 months you will see the prices might touch 1.3 1.4 CR for 3 BHK. So this is the last chance. If you are interested in investing in Godrej or want to become a part of Godrej Properties, we are waiting for your call. Do visit the property, and yeah, whenever you're planning, you're at the site, you're not you're not getting anybody, so we will be available. Just call us, we will try to assist you at the site. If you're started from your place planning to visit a site on the way to the project, you got our number, don't miss it, reach out. We will definitely get you whatever best inventories after launch. As if now, we'll try to explain you about the project and everything. So we'll be sharing our contact number. Thank you so much for watching watching us. Stay safe everybody. Have a nice day.